Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now, as you might have noticed, we have reached 150,000 subscribers, so naturally a giveaway is in order. And this is the watch that you're going to be getting, which is a Boltonese take on the Hamilton Khaki Pilot. And I reviewed this watch. I'll leave the link in the description and also in the corner of the screen. It's a beautiful 38mm watch. Powered by a Seiko NH38, so automatic, true no date movement, and it's really well sized, well designed. It has awesome lume, a pretty decent watch. Now, to participate in this giveaway, just like all the other giveaways before this, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you're not, please do hit that subscribe button. You have to like this video and comment on this video. Now, once you comment on this video, you have to wait for the video that's gonna come a week after this one, where I'm gonna do another one of those randomizer raffles where one name is gonna get pulled out. That name is gonna be the winner, and then you have to contact me via the email in the description, and then we're gonna move on from that. So beware of scammers that contact you in the comments section asking you for details, giving you an email. Then once you contact them, they wanna charge you for the shipping cost. Remember, my giveaways are always free. They don't cost you anything except import duties if they happen to be once the watch reaches your country. So this is an international giveaway. I will be sending the watch at my own expense anywhere in the world. And like I said, the only possible expense you might get is import duties and taxes. So do not fall for the scammers. I will not be contacting you. You have to contact me via the email in the description of the video when I pull out the winner. Again, once you contact me, do not try to scam me, because I do have a two-step verification where I'm going to be able to verify whether or not you're actually the person that was pulled out as the winning comment. So also, scammers, please stay away from me and stay away from my viewers. So anyways, like I said, subscribe, like this video, comment below, and then all the comments published by next week are gonna enter the raffle video, where I'm gonna be using an online randomizer to select one of you. If I do select you, you have to watch that video and recognize your name. Contact me via the email in the description of that video, and then we're gonna move on with me sending you this watch. So good luck, everyone. See you in the next video, and see you a week from now to find out who the winner of this beautiful Boltony is. Now, if you follow my channel, you know I acquired quite a lot of Boltony watches. They slowly became one of my favorite micro brands just because of the quality they offer for the money. And I have, I believe, like 3 currently in rotation in my collection that I wear daily. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for helping me reach 150,000 subscribers and another milestone. And if your name doesn't get pulled out a week from now, don't worry. If you follow my channel, you know I do these giveaways every 10,000 subscribers. So if your name is not pulled out next time, just wait for the next milestone and you might be the lucky winner. Good luck, everyone, and see you in the next one. Bye.